Hello, good morning. I guess I don't know if it's morning for you, but it's morning for me here. Having a slow corporate work day, so I'm gonna just do a little multitasking and knock out some filming for you. And I am so excited. I have had this video on my list to create for a little while now, and it is what to wear to a work conference. Being very comfortable, like tall heels are not gonna be in the picture, maybe some small block heels. I'll wear heels on a normal work day if I'm just sitting a lot. But for traveling and when you're at a work conference and you're walking around, you definitely need comfort, but still business casual. And that's what I'm gonna give you today. As always, everything is linked in the description box down below. Like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, the key to styling a business casual outfit for a conference is comfort, okay? So 2 key pieces to this outfit. 1 are these pants and 2 are the shoes. The pants have no button, no zipper. I'll give you a little close up. No button, no zipper. So they're just pull on, very flattering, very comfortable. That's the key, is they're so comfortable and they go with everything. They're a classic black pant, so you can wear them during the day and then you can put on maybe a little bit of a dressier top if you wanted to and wear the same pant for a work dinner at night if you have one. So the pants, so comfortable, so versatile, easy to wear, easy to style. That's what you want. I will even travel in the airport in these pants for work because they're just so comfortable. And that's what you're gonna see from me throughout the video today, is I could say that about every single pant that I'm gonna try on. They're all gonna be different price points. These are the best quality, so they're the most expensive. They are from Spanx. I've had them for years. I don't dry clean them. They're very easy to just throw in the washing machine and wash. So expensive, but worth it. These shoes I share all the time. I feel like they are the best flat for work. They're the Sam Edelman loafers, size down half a size. For fall, I went with this chocolate brown because it's just my favorite color in the fall. And it's just so easy to wear with all my neutrals. I have my trusty tote. This is a Louis Vuitton Neverfull. I've had it for years. It's the only tote I have actually. So it's one of those things, it's like, look, if you're gonna spend a pretty penny on a bag, make it something that you're gonna use all the time. And so when I travel for work, this is the bag that I bring because it's huge. So get yourself a good tote. Doesn't have to be a designer tote, but you can see here, it just also vibes with my outfit. This, I believe, is from Anthropologie, size down. I just threw on a chic top, but the comfort and the key to the details of the outfit is the comfort of the pants and the loafers. You will not get a blister in these loafers. You can walk around a work conference for hours in these loafers and never get a blister, I promise. And give you a close-up of the stunning loafers. I love these. I know they're pricey, but they're so worth it. All right, next up, we've got these navy blue pants. These, every time you guys see me talk about them and put them on, if you watch any of my other videos, I call them my fancy PJs. They are nice enough for work, but they are a very lightweight fabric that just feels almost like PJs. Close up of them, great accordion, stretchy back. I mean, look at this, so much comfort, but very flattering. Has pockets, which is great if you need to put anything in there, but they're a flattering pocket, they don't stick out. I've got this top from Amazon. I wear it all the time. The quality's so good. I've had it for years, washes really well, like no concerns that it's from Amazon. And then I went with a ballet flat. So if you're not a loafers girl, the shoes I just shared, then these flats are from the same brand. So the quality is great and the comfort is there. Like with this brand of shoe, I love every shoe I've bought from them and I never get a blister, especially in the flats. It's so good. So these are their ballet flats. They come in so many different colors too. I just went with a neutral here. Again, I did size down half a size. Let me double check that. Yes. So I sized down half a size in their flats, and same thing with the loafers. I sized down half a size, so then I'm wearing a 6.5. And normally in flats, I'm a 7. But anyways, so love these. And these pants are true to size because they've got the stretchy back, and then this top is also true to size. And these are really affordable pieces. Amazon top, under $50. These pants are normally on sale around $50. The shoes are a little bit pricey because of the quality, but it's so worth it to get a good quality shoe that's not going to give you a blister, and you can walk around for hours in them. So this is another great conference outfit, and it's also comfy enough to wear on the airplane if you're traveling for work. If you prefer a heel and you want a low heel option, you have to go with like a low block heel because that's where you're gonna get the most comfort for walking around. These are Chanel inspired, but they're actually from Amazon. I love these. I am in a size 7, so true to size here. There's no buckle to like adjust the strap here, okay? So you just slip them right on. I love these. I even wear these for date night, but I'll show you what they look like with this outfit. Another affordable pant here. These are from Halara. They are true to size. If you're in between sizes, size down. I'm wearing an extra small regular. They also come in a tall option. I'm 5'2" for reference, for height reference here. I think that I could still wear these pants actually with flats because they're not too long, but they look fine with a low block heel. They are extremely comfortable, no button, no zipper, pull on waist, but look at the stretch here. You can wear these for travel. You're going to be very comfortable in them. They do have pockets, which is great if you just need to like throw your AirPods in there or something, okay? I've got the same Amazon top on I just shared with the other outfit here, and then the Amazon shoes. So this is an incredibly affordable work outfit that is great for work travel and walking around all day at a conference. Get close up of the pants here so you can see the detail. You could add a belt, absolutely, to dress it up even more. Show you that stretch, show you the pockets. Very flattering all the way around, extremely soft, feels like athleisure fabric, so comfortable. I have another pair of my favorite Spanx pants. These have a kick flare, so they're different than the straight style I shared at the beginning of the video. Same fit though, true to size. I'm wearing a small, I'm 5'2" for reference, again, so you can see where it hits. I do think they come in a short and a tall version as well, but the kick flare at the bottom is still a cute little look. I went back to the Sam Edelman ballet flats because I needed a neutral pair to tie into the gold detailing of this top. This top is from Revolve, also true to size. I'll give you a close-up. Super cute, trendy top for work. Very work appropriate, but very cute and trendy. I love the detailing of the gold here, and I don't feel like I need any jewelry or anything extra with it. So it's just a really easy outfit to put together. And I'm incredibly comfortable because these pants, just like the other ones I shared, no button, no zipper, really comfortable, but very flattering. And just like with the other outfits, I'm comfortable enough to literally wear this on an airplane and travel for work and then walk around all day at a work conference. The best part about all these outfits. I wanted to give you an option with sneakers. I went a little more dressed up on the top with a white collared button down to make it feel extra business casual because the sneakers are extremely casual, but it's pulling together still appropriate for a business casual work outfit, especially walking around at a work conference. I've got these gray pants. The material feels just like athleisure, so they're very comfortable. I dress it up a little bit with a belt. You don't have to wear a belt if you don't want to, but again, just trying to make it feel a little more dressy because then I've just got these sneaks on. I'll link these. These are Golden Goose, so you definitely don't need like a designer sneaker, but if you've got any type of white sneaker, this is how you would put it together. Be more dressy up top to balance out the casual vibe of the sneakers on the bottom. This is a great base to an outfit that you can layer on depending on like the weather that is going to be at the conference or travel or the city you're going to. This top is very easy to wear by itself, as you can see here. I wanted to give you an option with boots in case you're going to a winter conference. You can absolutely wear these pants with boots, but these pants are that same very comfy, stretchy material. These buttons are fake, they're not working. You don't have any pockets here kind of bulging out. Very comfortable, very flattering all the way around. Get a close-up of these pants. Again, faux buttons here. Just a cute detail though to spruce up the pants. Very flattering from the back. So soft, I just wish I could describe and have you feel them. Very stretchy, great for travel, great for walking around all day. I am wearing a small in these and a regular. So again, same brand that gives you the option in tall if you want to go up. But I've got a very low, like not a really tall boot heel, and these are just ankle boots. I'll link these. I got them at Nordstrom Rack, I believe. And so this is the base to my outfit, and then if I get chilly, I'm just gonna throw it on with a blazer that you can easily throw on when you get cold very quickly on the airplane. Put your arms all the way through. Got this light layer with you at all times, especially for travel or if it's super cold at the conference, but it's really lightweight. I could easily fold this up and put it in my tote if I needed to. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Don't forget, everything is linked in the description box down below. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. I love hearing from you guys, and I'll see you next time.